Hi guys. Hi guys. Today we're going to make some storage out of these two boxes.
Faster than a speeding bullet. Able to leap tall buildings at a single bound.
We got these two huge boxes from our favorite turtle tubes. To make useful storage, we need to count these middle sections. Let's open it up and see what we're going to do. Look what we got! Yay! I'm doing it with my hands. No, you pop it. Why are you copying me? No. Oh, this does not fit. Now we need to cut these center bits out. Now we finished cutting the middle, and now we can put our toys in it. That's all for today's video. We hope you like it. As always, please like and subscribe. And share with your friends. We see you again in Little Monsters Garage.